Hey there, if you've accidentally deleted photos from your iPhone and you're wondering how to get them back, don't worry. Recovering those deleted photos is a lot easier than you might think. Let's dive into how you can recover your deleted photos using the Photos app. So let's get started. Solution 1. Recover from the recently deleted folder. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on Recently Deleted. Now enter your password if prompted. Next, select the photos you want to recover. Tap on Recover. Finally, tap on Recover Photos to restore them. Solution 2. Restore from iCloud Backup. Go to your settings on your iPhone, then tap your name at the top in the Apple ID section. After that, select iCloud. Next, tap on Manage Storage, then go to Backups. Check if you have a recent backup that includes the deleted photos. If you do have a backup, you'll need to erase your iPhone to restore it from that backup. Here's how to do it. To start, go back to Settings. Scroll down, tap on General. Then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase All Content and Settings and follow the prompts. After your iPhone restarts, set it up and choose Restore from iCloud Backup during the setup process. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted photos on your iPhone. If you run into any issues or need a little extra help, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy photo recovering!